What's in the box? What's in the box? Can you tell me what's in the box? I checked my BMI and I am in the overweight range, so I need to cut down on my weight about 10 kg. Hello, Peace Diaries family. Welcome to my channel. It's a channel where you get to see every bit about me. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing this item that I got from the online store, Temu, and I'll be giving my honest opinion and my honest rating about the item. Sometimes the item we order online might not be what we receive at last, with respect to quality, with respect to other things, right? So in this channel, in this video, I'll be unboxing and I'll be giving my honest review about these items. If you're interested in this type of video, please stick around and let's unbox together. Please don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. And if you're scrolling past, if you're scrolling YouTube and you came across my channel, please stay and watch to the end. I'm going to be doing an interesting unboxing you would like, and after watching, please leave your comment, like, subscribe and share. So let's get into the unboxing. Which one should I unbox? This is the one I ordered, and then my husband ordered this. He ordered this, I ordered this. Okay, let's start with mine. Let's start with mine. Okay, let's open. Hope this is still working. Okay, it's still working. Man, I have my scissors. Why do I always use my hand? Sometimes I forget what I order. What is this one inside what is this? Okay, let me open it. Let me open it and see. Let's open it together and see what's inside. What's in the box? What's in the box? Can you tell me what's in the box? Oh, nursery rhyme. Uh-oh. Okay, let's open. 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 Okay. I know what this is. I know what this is. I know what this is. Oh, I remember now. So before I open, let me tell you guys backstory. I started my weight loss journey. Yes, you guys you see me like this is not all of me. This is all of me, yo. But I want to lose some weight. I checked my BMI and I am in the overweight range, so I need to cut down on my weight about 10 kg. You guys will ask me, what do I weigh, right? I want to lose 10 kg. Currently, I'm weighing 68 and I want to cut down to 58. Yeah, it's possible. So, because of that, I've changed my diet. I also experienced bloating, constant bloating. Anytime I eat beans, I bloat, and I have cut down on late because I noticed that if I eat late at night, I bloat. So I stop eating late at night. Once it's 6 o'clock, I stop eating, and I want to eat whole food. No more pizza, no more shawarma, no more fry. So I got this. You know what this is? I got this jar for my oats. So I'll be making overnight oats with this. Oh, I love this. So chic, so unique. I love how curvy this is. And it's made of glass and it has a wooden cover. So this will be for my overnight oats with chia seed, almond toppings, milk, Greek yogurt. I need to increase my protein intake. So that's why I got this. And they are 4 in number. This is the second one. This is the third one. And the fourth one. And then we have I think we have the spoon, something like, let me get it out. So we have the wooden spoon. So this is how it looks like. This is the manufacturer picture, and this is the real life picture. How do you guys see it? I think I'm gonna rate this 10 over 10. It's beautiful. It doesn't have any. There's no cause for alarm. It didn't come broken. They all came intact. I love it. 10 over 10. So let's get this aside. This is a storage bag. I was skeptical about this. I don't know how it looked, but let me buy it. I saw people's review. You know, I told you guys that whenever I'm buying online, I always check people's review. So I saw people's review about this. It was 50-50, but I said, let me take my chances, right? But as it came, how is this? Okay, this is into two. Okay, this I like it. This is it, and then I'm going to use it to store my daughter's clothes. She doesn't have her own wardrobe for now. For now, so this is just for temporary use. For temporary use, pending when we get our own wardrobe. No children grow, so oh guys, so this is how it looks. This is how it comes. It's nice. At least I will store her clothes. It's not kind of sturdy. It's flimsy, but I can still use it. So I'll just give this 7/10. 7/10. Yeah, that is my rating on this. 7/10. At least it's handy. And then okay, this is floor mats, just bathroom mats. Okay, okay, it's nice, soft. I don't know how durable this is, how long it's gonna last. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I like how it is. It's nice. And then we have this. Oh, we have another storage box. I got two. This is the second one. Okay. I don't like tearing things off. I like opening them. So I will first of all check if there's any way to open before I think of tearing. Okay. This is another one. I ordered large, but this doesn't look like large. Or okay. Okay. Let's quickly assemble it and see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like, and it's nice. It's just there. It's just there. I'll give this 7/10. So it's not. It didn't wow me. I just needed it for a temporal purpose, just to store some clothing. Yeah. And then I have. Oh, I got some cutlery for my daughter. Yeah. Wow. Perfect. This is her size. This is her size. And oh, then the last but not the least, this is my short. This is like shortcuts Excel stuff for my computer. We have Control A, Control B. Those just really for you to know them. Yeah, whilst playing with the computer, right? So I'll just paste it on my laptop, and then let's check out this. Let's see what we have here. Okay, smartwatch. Okay, it got to one for me. It got to one for me, one for him, and ah, he got this one for me. Let me see how it looks. Size, this is size 41. he got the jacket for me. Not jacket. Yeah, a jacket and this color. So he yeah. So he thought it wise to get the matching boots for it. Oh, this is lovely. I'm going to put it on to check if it's my size. Lovely. I'll put it on to know if it's my size. So this is it. I love this. And okay, got this flash drive to store some information from his laptop. And then he got extra socks. Like I said, the first time I ordered this socks, it was for him. He liked it. I didn't know he even ordered another one. He ordered for himself, and I ordered for myself. Coincidentally, so thick. I love this socks. So thick, so thick. I love it. So he ordered 3 pairs of the socks. And what is this? Oh, Crocs. Oh, he ordered Crocs for work. Okay. Oh, this is size 45. I'm not sure this is going to be his size. My one leg is long though. Crocs for work. Okay, I'm going to test it by myself when he comes back. We'll test it. And that's all. So I like this smartwatch so that I can use to monitor my steps because I've started exercising, and like I said, I need to lose some weight. So this smartwatch will be a good one. I'll put it on my wrist and then monitor my steps and my calorie level, right? For my rating, I'll give this 7/10. I don't really like it. It's just there. I don't like it. I'm gonna give this 10/10, depending when I put it on to check it if it's my size. Otherwise, I love it. And then this socks, oh, 10/10. It's giving what it's supposed to give. So guys, we've come to the end of our unboxing. But I would like to hear from you too. How durable are they? No, I just got them, so I've not started using them, right? So I would like to know in the comment section how durable are they. It's been long I wore heels like this, and I like as I saw this, I was like, hey, can I still wear this? I'm a heel person, but I stopped putting on heels like 5 years ago, and since then I've been running away from heels. But we cannot try this. We're gonna try this. Okay, guys, see you in my next video. Bye.